Hey folks, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and today I'm down by Delavan, Minnesota, looking at um, an old barn that built in the 20s. It's only 100 years old, but anyway, many of them I look at are much older and in much worse shape. This one here is in really excellent condition. It's concrete block all the way up to, I think the walls are 13 feet tall, and it's got a Gothic roof on it, and it's perfect. It's in excellent shape. You can see new roof sheathing on the barn. And haymow floor here has been patched a little bit over the years, but downstairs looks like it was a horse barn. So the people have called me to come down here and take a look at it and do some work on the doors and so forth. This end over here has a unique beam built into it to strengthen this wall and hold it to resist the wind pressure on a big wall like that, because they must have figured that the block wall wouldn't maybe be strong enough to do that, and probably right. On that end over there, they've done something similar to that also, but that serves another purpose too. It helps them to get that door closed, and it looks from the brackets up there it's been closed off permanently for some time. Let's see if I can get down here without falling. Hang on. All right, I made it. Well, I don't know if this was designed as, it looks like a horse barn to begin with, because I don't see the customary gutters and so forth like you would have in a dairy barn. So let's go. There's some cracks in it here and there. Let's go outside and take a look at it quick. These doors are amazing. There's like 3 layers of wood on each of them, and the hinges are heavy duty steel. But this is the outside of it, and yeah, this is a 1923 date, and they've got their own church here too, and it's almost like a little park. Got another building over here. Pretty impressive. The end walls have been done with shingles, like asphalt or fiberglass shingles, and a couple of them could be refastened. And these guys here are vents that are built into the building to get the moisture from the livestock out of it. But I don't, and those are some fancy shingles up there. Oh my. So this door here is in pretty bad shape. This one might have to get rebuilt. the catches on these doors here. That one's still there, but the one below it's not around anymore. Might have to custom make a little bit of them. These two have popped off. Probably laying down here in the sod somewhere. And this one here is in pretty bad shape also. So I gotta see what these are. These are nails. Let's go see if we can see it on this one. Ashwood Farm. And there's the church building that looks to me like it was moved in. Well, let's check out these doors, see how they're built. I don't see any nails on the inside. A lot of them are usually pounded through and clinched over on the inside. But I don't see any evidence of that. There's a row of them there, a row of them up there. No clinched over nails though, but I guess when they're 3 inches thick, you didn't have to clinch them over. So anyhow, I guess about it for this inspection, and we'll work up something and look forward to meeting this guy. This is quite the barn. Thanks for watching, folks. Bye.